further away. I have actually done this before. It's really nice to see everybody here. I'm a little bit turn up to try and explain the concept of safe schools. I would have thought that was a really simple concept for people to understand. What is complicated about that? Now, something kind of fun has happened, and there's been a decision to hold 3 rallies in the same place at the same time. So I think, just to be clear and to make sure that everybody understands what is going on here, I'm going to propose that we make a fair bit of noise, enough to drown out the 6 angry, pointless men just over here, but also that's better. That made me feel heaps better. I suspect Corey Bernardi and Erica Betts could hear that in their electorate offices on the other side of the country, and let's hope so. This is also the only rally I think I've ever been to where the horses were on our side. So that's nice. Thank you to the horses. It is something of a disaster that something as simple as safe schools has been politicised. I feel embarrassed as one of your representatives, as a senator, to have to be turning out at an event like this. This should never have been politicised. This is about safety, this is about children, and this is about respect. Let's keep it simple. I really want to thank the organisers. I guess it's been a pretty stressful 24 hours for the people with good heart and good energy and a bit of time to pull us together. So I really want to thank the organising crew for getting a big, colourful, bright demonstration down here. And now, or reasonably soon, maybe not right now, I think we should actually show the rest of the city that just exactly how good looking you all are. Thank you for coming out. We will win this. We will win this. Thank you.